What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Adobe Photoshop Express on your Windows PC quickly and easily. Adobe Photoshop Express is a lightweight and easy to use photo editing tool that allows you to make quick edits without needing the full version of Photoshop. Instead of downloading it from a browser, you can install it directly from the Microsoft Store, making the process much simpler. In your Start menu, search for Microsoft Store and click on the app when it appears in the search results. This will open the Microsoft Store, where you can download applications directly to your Windows PC. Once inside the Microsoft Store, go to the search bar at the top and type Adobe Photoshop Express. Press Enter and you will see the official Adobe Photoshop Express app in the search results. Click on it to open the app's page. Here, you can scroll down to read more details about the app, including its features and system requirements. When you're ready to install it, click on the Get button in the top right corner. The download will begin immediately, and the installation will follow automatically. The time it takes to install depends on your internet speed, but it should be fairly quick. Once the installation is complete, the Get button will change to an Open button. Click on Open, and Adobe Photoshop Express will launch for the first time. On the Welcome screen, click Next to go through the introductory guide, which explains the various tools available in the app. Before you start using Photoshop Express, you'll need to sign in to access premium features and content for free. You can sign in with Google, Adobe ID, Facebook or Microsoft. Just choose whichever method you prefer. After signing in, Photoshop Express will prompt you to select an image source to begin editing. Click on Pictures Library, select an image, and just like that, you're ready to start editing. On the left side of the screen, you will find various editing tools, including cropping, filters, adjustments, and more. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.